Alright. No, I don't want to give it too much.
My front side made it over, but I did the exact same thing.
Yeah, but I already got going, and I didn't get going too good.
Ghost ride it.
Is that what you did?
Yeah, I had to.
Let me try one more time.
Now, look how much you dug down. You definitely can't get out now.
True. I will have to go.
But now we can move the log since we dug down so much.
What?
I said now we can move the log since we dug down so much.
Might be a good idea.
Is it out of the Alright, you should be able to get from there as long as you
Maybe.
roll back. I only saw it where I had tried to go over that log.
Yeah.
But I moved it. It took a second, but I got it out of the ground. And I filled it in the hole.
I think I still have enough gas, but I might as well.